Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to compress an file, which can be super helpful if you need to share it online or reduce storage space. First, let's locate the Excel file you want to compress. If you are dealing with multiple files, the easiest way is to create a new folder and place all those files inside. Now right-click on the folder or file, hover your mouse over the Send to option and select Compressed Folder. For multiple files, select all them while holding down the Control key. Then right-click on the one of the selected files. Go to Send to and choose Compressed Folder. The system will now create a compressed zip file. Depending on the number of files, this might take a few moments. You will see a progress bar as the files are being added. Once the progress is complete, the zip file will appear in the same location as your original file or folder. You can rename it if needed. And that's it. You have successfully compressed your Excel file. Now you can easily share it online or store it more efficiently. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If you have any question, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.